Hey everyone, welcome to this video on how to take critical decisions in life. Making important decisions can be a challenging and overwhelming experience. However, it's essential to know how to make a sound decision in life. Today, I will be discussing some practical tips that can help you take critical decisions in life. So, let's dive in. Identify the decision you need to make. The first step to making any critical decision is identifying what the decision is. It's essential to understand the problem and analyze the situation. Take a moment to identify the problem you need to solve, gather all the necessary information and assess your options. Take your time. Critical decisions shouldn't be rushed, and it's okay to take some time to make the right decision. Take a moment to reflect and think about the decision you need to make. Avoid making decisions when you are tired, stressed, or emotional, as it can affect your judgment. Weigh the pros and cons. Once you've identified the decision, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons of each option. Make a list of the advantages and disadvantages of each option to help you make an informed decision. Analyzing the pros and cons will enable you to identify the best option that aligns with your values and goals. Seek advice from trusted sources. It's okay to seek advice from family, friends, or colleagues, as it can give you a fresh perspective on the situation. However, be careful not to rely entirely on other people's opinions, as they may not have all the information needed to make an informed decision. Trust your intuition. Trust your gut feeling when making critical decisions. Your intuition is your inner voice, and it's essential to listen to it. If something doesn't feel right, take a moment to reflect and analyze the situation before making a decision. Consider the consequences. Before making any critical decision, consider the consequences of your decision. Analyze how your decision will impact your life and those around you. This will help you make a decision that aligns with your values and goals. Take action. Once you've weighed the pros and cons and considered the consequences, it's time to take action. Make a plan and take the necessary steps to implement your decision. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as they can help you learn and grow. In conclusion, making critical decisions in life can be challenging, but with the right mindset and approach, it can be done. Remember to take your time, weigh the pros and cons, seek advice from trusted sources, trust your intuition, consider the consequences and take. Hey everyone, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button below. Your support helps us create more content like this to help you with your daily challenges. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who may benefit from the information we provided. Sharing is caring, and we want to help as many people as possible. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful content like this. By subscribing, you'll be notified when we post new videos that can help you with your daily life challenges. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your support.